Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is 15 degrees out and all my cars are on the racks sleeping right now. Wish I was out driving them, but I do have some great news. It's been a while since I posted anything new on the Maserati Granturismo. Well, guess what? We have a new product coming out. So this is going to be a little sneak peek. Enjoy.
Okay.
Well, that was a little sneak peek, just some blips. It's going to be available in March, so I will have all the information, pricing, etc. on it. Yes, I will be distributing these, so hopefully I will get one over here, get it installed, do a how-to, a DIY install, and then also show everybody the features and everything. And I don't even know all the features on it yet, so I'm working with the company, and they are going to be sending one, and I will start taking orders very soon. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye.